This Makita 18V LXT cordless portable band saw delivers the cordless metal cutting power to the job site. This has a Makita-built high-torque motor and a compact design with less weight for a range of cutting applications and a variety of metal materials. This is engineered for a range of metal cutting tasks. Ideal for any electrical, HVAC, installation, metal building, metal fabrication, plumbing, and any pro contractor who requires a best-in-class engineered cordless portable band saw. This features a Makita-built high-torque motor of 630 feet per minute. Blade speed for faster cutting and a 2/2 inches cutting capacity is ideal for cutting conduit, unistrut, all thread, channel, corrugated, pipe, sheet metal, square tubing, and more. The adjustable foot protects material and provides positive support for more accurate cuts. This weighs just 9 pounds with a battery and features a more compact design at 18¾ inches long and an ergonomic shape that fits like a glove for reduced operator fatigue. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. This is also equipped with a built-in LED light that illuminates the work area for more efficient work, as well as rubber bumpers and a removable hook. It's part of Makita's expanding 18V lithium-ion system, the world's largest cordless tool system powered by 18V lithium-ion slide-style batteries. Makita 18V lithium-ion batteries have the fastest charge times in their categories, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger. For improved tool performance and extended battery life, Makita created Star Protection computer controls. Star Protection is a communication technology that allows the Star Protection-equipped tool and battery to exchange data in real time and monitor conditions during use to protect against overloading, over-discharging, and overheating. For increased versatility, the tool can also be powered by Makita 18V LXT and compact lithium-ion batteries with the star symbol on the battery indicating Star Protection inside. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 2/2 inches cutting capacity is ideal for cutting conduit, unistrut, copper pipe, threaded rod, angle iron, and channel. Number 2. Makita-built motor delivers 630 feet per minute. Blade speed for faster cutting. Number 3. Wheel cover encloses the blade outside the cutting area, making the saw suitable for one-handed operation per ANSI standard. Number 4. Aluminum blade housing for increased durability. Number 5. Exterior blade adjustment provides more accurate blade tracking for increased cutting performance. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.